Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sprout Social for better LinkedIn engagement tracking. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Sprout Social. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll be directed to the Login page. Here, you can enter your email address associated with your Sprout Social account. After entering your email, proceed to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Ensure that you have no typos in your email or password. Once both fields are filled out, look for the Login button on this page. Click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Sprout Social dashboard. Here, you will see various options and features available to you. To track your LinkedIn engagement, navigate to the Social tab in the main menu. Click on LinkedIn from the drop-down menu. If you haven't connected your LinkedIn account yet, prompt to do so will appear. Follow the instructions to authorize Sprout Social to access your LinkedIn data. Once connected, you'll begin to see engagement metrics for your LinkedIn posts. Review the analytics provided to gain insights into your audience engagement. Adjust your social media strategy based on the engagement metrics you observe. Make use of Sprout Social's reporting features for comprehensive analysis. Keep checking back regularly to maximize your tracking capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.